Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XDC. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XDC, and once again, this is the one-day chart. We're still sitting here at 5 cents. This cryptocurrency is so undervalued right now. You know, I already topped off my XRP bag a while ago. I've been stacking other cryptocurrencies like XDC and Casper and HBAR, a little bit more IOTA as well, because I want to be totally prepared for ISO in November. XDC will 56x and go to the price of $3. I totally agree with that, because that's the potential I see behind XDC as well. I showed you all during this entire bear market, project after project jumping on board and building out. I showed you how well-rounded XDC is, and yet there was all this growth and no price movement. And that's not to mention all the growth that's been going on in the background as well. $3 is easily achievable, and right now we're sitting at 5 cents. In case you missed it the first time, ICC, WTO, Citigroup, and Trade Finance Global recognize Xinfin Xdc networks. Xinfin Xdc Network Singapore COO predicts global blockchain adoption due to the legal acceptance of digital trade documents. The XDC network team says it's set to bridge the $19 trillion trade finance asset class through tokenization. Previously, TradeTech partnered with Xinfin Xdc Network to launch the first regulated token, TRADA. You know, Singapore is going massive around crypto. They just gave Ripple a payments license. They also like XDC. They're going to utilize them each for their own use case in the future. You got to remember, these cryptocurrencies, they're not fighting each other like everybody always says. It's XRP versus XDC or XLM versus XDC. It's more of this. Here's the new financial system. Each of these cryptocurrencies are going to play their own part. If anything, diversify and buy a little bit of each of them before these prices are gone forever. I've been digging into a project with some of the deepest ties I've seen. It's an ePeg stablecoin pegged by EUA, carbon allowances. This will be the first ever MiCA compliant stablecoin. Unreal Team background, WorldPay, FIS, Vanguard, U.S. Department of Defense, XDC, PwC, and the UN. More info soon. This comes from Tokenized. And you know, this is absolutely incredible. So what is it? Protocol aimed to assist in net zero by 2050 initiative through using a EUA-backed stablecoin compliant to EU regulations as the first ever legal stablecoin under MiCA regulations. Features 28.27% APY carbon allowances. Patent pending solution. Fungible with carbon allowances. Backed by government-issued certificates, and XDC is part of that as well. That is huge. It has been proposed to replace traditional banking systems and has the potential to revolutionize industries requiring significant computing power, such as financial markets. This is the quantum financial system, and it is coming, yet people still don't want to believe it. XDC's part is this right here. The transition via ISO will also take place with XDC from the Xinfin official hybrid blockchain, specially designed for business, commerce, and finance, allows increased flexibility in liquidity management for financial institutions. And when you look at this, look at how massive XDC is going to be in the future. Look at the utility behind it. And you know, people are still overlooking it. They don't realize how big digital trade is actually going to be. Why trade your XDC prematurely when you're on the brink of your financial aspirations? Patience pays off, even if it means waiting until 2030 and beyond. Because mark our words, XDC is designed for far greater heights. Now is not the time to be trading cryptocurrencies. I keep seeing people say that's exactly what they're doing. Well, I just traded some XDC for Casper, or I traded XDC for some HBAR. You need to continue holding this cryptocurrency, and I don't think it's going to take until 2030. This next run is going to be absolutely incredible. Think about where we're going to be 18 to 24 months from now. Think about where digital trade's going to be by then as well. For the digitization of global trade finance to be successful, we need to use all of our partners, banks, freighting companies, and SWIFT. Take a listen to this.
Enhance our efforts in the digitalization of trade. And I think kind of picking up a bit on your previous point as well around, why partnerships are so important. I think, the number of things that we've been able to achieve together with Patrick and the team in Indonesia we're really pleased with, but it's not just down to us. We really need the rest of industry, all the banks, SWIFT, the freighting companies, etc., and everyone else to really join into our efforts to allow the digitalization of trade globally.
SWIFT is definitely going to be part of this. The banks are going to get on board little by little. Once they see one bank get on board and they see how it's working out, everybody will come running and jumping in. And the freighting companies, they're going to absolutely love this because it eliminates all that paperwork at the same time. Exclusive offer for XDC Foundation holders. For one entire week, you can receive an extra 10% shop back for every purchase when you check out with XDC. Don't miss out a chance to shop and save while experiencing the future of crypto-powered shopping. This is coming from Shopping.io. Little by little, we're watching more and more things being able to be bought using crypto. And as that continues to happen, all of a sudden, the naysayers, the people outside of crypto that only ever looked at it as monopoly money, will start realizing how big crypto is becoming. Then they will have to have it as well. Mass adoption is also on the horizon. Ready for a divine journey? Explore the Catholic metaverse with the Oculus game. Faith meets virtual reality. Again, building out through Cresight on XDC. And there's a lot of different projects that people are just overlooking on XDC. I'm going to talk about a few more in today's video because it shows how well-rounded XDC actually is. Just because you don't get daily announcements doesn't mean things aren't happening in the background as well. Welcome to the future. Experience the freedom of infinite utility, digital and fiat asset exchange, banking and trading on the Globiance platform. Enjoy lightning-fast transactions with minimal fees while earning free daily GBEX rewards. Again, another project on XDC. This one is my favorite project because this will lead to you becoming your own bank when you could lend and borrow against your crypto. It's a new month. Curious about what's on the horizon for prime numbers. Our upcoming release feature, DApp updates to our custom RPC, brand new website launch, Prime Finance debut, PRNT staking version 3, Liquid NFT staking system, XDC staking version 2. And that's just the beginning. Are you ready? And prime numbers will allow you to become your own bank in the future. That was always considered a conspiracy theory inside of crypto. People always said, buy XRP and become your own bank. You could do the same thing with XDC and XLM, IOTA, Algo. We are getting there little by little. There's going to come a day where you never have to sell your crypto. Then there's Comtech Gold. Introducing digital gold, your gateway to financial freedom. Are you ready to revolutionize your investment portfolio? Say hello to digital gold, the future of wealth accumulation. Why digital gold? Stability. Shield your wealth from market volatility. Digital gold maintains its value, offering a rock-solid foundation for your investments. Accessibility. Say goodbye to physical storage woes. With digital gold, your assets are securely stored in the blockchain, accessible at the click of a button. global reach, break free from geographic constraints, invest in digital gold from anywhere in the world and watch your wealth grow. Inflation hedge, safeguards your purchasing power. Digital gold hedges against inflation, ensuring your wealth retains its value over time. Transparency, track every transaction in real time. The blockchain provides an immutable ledger ensuring complete transparency and trust. Now, I haven't done this yet, but I was always thinking, people always said, well, what if the US dollar is collapsing out? What would we ever cash our crypto out into? Well, digital gold may be an option. And again, we're going to see more digital gold offerings pop up over time. Other companies are going to go in this direction. But Comtech Gold actually looks like a pretty good project. Then there's this. XDC is revolutionizing the world of tokenization and digitalization. While trade finance is a huge aspect, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Real estate has been flirting with tokenization for a while. XDC can tokenize property ownership, creating fractionalized assets, making it accessible for small investors to enter the market. You know, I want to talk about tokenization because every other ISO cryptocurrency is going in the same direction right now. And each one of them are also tied to tokenizing real estate. They're also going all in on carbon credits as well. I'll talk about that in a minute. Digital art has seen a surge in popularity thanks to NFTs. XDC can tokenize digital art. Education is crucial for societal development. XDC can tokenize academic credentials, allowing students to securely store and share their records. The gaming industry is massive, and XDC can level up the in-game economy. Tokenization allows for cross-game compatibility, secure trading, and real-world value for in-game assets. The green revolution needs support from all sectors, and XDC can help. Tokenizing carbon credits enables companies to offset emissions and meet sustainability goals, while creating a transparent, efficient marketplace for trading. If I talk about Hedera and HBAR, they're going big on carbon credits. XRP going big on carbon credits. XLM going big on carbon credits. You see where I'm going. XDC is no different. It's so well-rounded. GameFi, Sociify, NFTs, Metaverse. The list goes on and on. Fine wine investments can be risky due to counterfeiting and storage issues. With XDC, wine bottles can be tokenized to ensure authenticity and provenance. R&D funding can be hard to come by. XDC can tokenize patents, enabling investors to raise funds by selling shares in their inventions. These examples are just a glimpse of XDC's potential in the world of tokenization and digitalization. As the technology evolves, we can expect even more exciting use cases to emerge. And that's where we are with XDC right now. I just did a video around ISO. I said we're going to see a two-phase rise for XDC. First, we'll see ISO go live. We might get a good look at the price of XDC rising from that. Then later, as digital trade continues to grow out and expand, we will see XDC rise even more. Then we start talking about tokenization. I think that boom is going to happen sometime in 2024. But I think the rest of this year looks very good for this cryptocurrency. And I definitely would get in before it's too late, before you miss one of the greatest opportunities in crypto. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. Let's get rich together. Have a great night.